Hi guys, how are you? So today I'm gonna do my first video of unboxing something. So today I'm gonna unbox a board game called Monopoly. So I had previous experience playing this. It's very interesting and even exciting as well to do this. Play this actually with my wife and the family friends. So let's see. So I got a very good deal in a gift shop. So this is my first time. Really excited. Just take this. I don't know. Even though it says for 8 plus, so we all know that we have a child in ourselves. Okay, so let's see. So this is, I think this is the classic version. Hopefully, so there are a lot of other versions as well, like Game of Thrones, Stranger Things. But then me and my wife love to play the classic one. So taking off the cover. So what's inside? Let's see. So there's a game instructions and probably the rules of the game, how you play it. That's interesting. Let's get to the best parts. This might be the board. Oh look, we have other goodies. The player tags. Oh, I don't know what's the correct word for this, but then player tags or anything. And cards to play with. My wife wants to hold so much, but then these are the rules that you and the other stuff, the properties that you buy in this tray, and then some kind of and then you have dice. Okay, so let's see how this looks like. Pretty good quality. What the hell? Why is it comes up like this? They could have easily folded it. But yeah, I think this is the original version. If you can take a close up. Yeah, it's pretty good, solid. And cards, what else? So yeah, and then fast. So pro tips from Mr. Monopoly, some tips which is in the cardboard. So that's it guys. I think I should be playing Monopoly right now with my friends. So this idea was to have this when we have family friends. My friends comes in, and then something exciting to do, and then yeah. So this is unboxing the Monopoly board. Thank you.